What's up, y'all? I'm so sorry we haven't posted on the regular lately. Our whole schedule's been out of whack, and we've got some amazing pre-recorded videos for you guys. And look at this.
Show you.
Bada beam, bada bling. You got this. Boom.
We did some awesome work, and we can't wait to show you everything that we made. I'll start answering emails as of when we get home. We fly out in the morning, and we've nonstop painted since we got here.
Non-stop.
Okay, we went and saw an ocean, and then we sent you guys a video, so that was cool. Do you still have that? We should download it and put it on YouTube. Anyways, join our Facebook page so you can see all the things. We also have been posting to Snapchat this week. But, yeah, we miss you guys, and we am so sorry that we haven't posted.
It's time to go to sleep.
We have a couple videos that are like in queue to upload. They just haven't gone all the way through yet. Laura Taylor's here. She'll attest to it. Anyways, we miss y'all. We love you. And we will see y'all tomorrow. Bye.
I say bye.
I was like, are you going to say you got this?